successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Hi, this is Ajit Joshi from Opal Infotech, and we keep on sharing some success stories of the companies who have changed their fortune through digital marketing. Today I wish to share a success story of one Singapore-based company. Yes, I am talking about a company who is engaged in manufacturing and exporting biomedical equipment. The company is having manufacturing unit and offices in Singapore, Taiwan, China and South Africa. Since the company has one manufacturing unit in China, they knew the importance and effectiveness of Alibaba platform for B2B. The company is also Alibaba Gold Supply member since the year 2009. When we approached this company, the owner discussed certain challenges with us. Though they were a member since 2009, but till 2015, there was a very little contribution to business or inquiries through Alibaba Media. They also shared that their competitors are doing good business through the Alibaba platform. The company had posted a few products, but they were hardly getting any inquiries. They were dealing with biomedical equipment which is related to diagnosis and accuracy, but they were not carrying strong brand image. Opal Infotech strategic team discussed all the challenges and offered a strategy for Alibaba account and website management. We divided solution into two phases. In phase 1, we focused on generating inquiries and placing the company at par with their competitors. In phase 2, we planned to beat the competitors by all the digital ways and staying ahead of the competition. We decided the time frame of 2 years for phase 1, while the phase 2 we decided years 2 to 4. Now, what we did in phase 1? The most important thing for us to generate serious inquiries through Alibaba account and to achieve that we have to post and optimize products on Alibaba. Till the time products they posted were not optimized properly, so we posted and optimized products to get better ranking and visibility. We also set up account more professionally. Another reason for why they were not getting inquiries was because most of their competitors were having mini site and buyers do visit the posting of many companies for better and genuine deal. Since their competitors were having mini site, apparently buyers' perception used to be that company having mini site has more inclination for business and must be proactive. So we decided mini site with latest technology in first phase. After 3 to 4 months, clients started getting visibility on Alibaba platform and received a few inquiries, but that was not enough. After 6 months, there was a radical change for incoming inquiries. Clients started getting more meaningful inquiries and extremely excited with the result. He got confidence in the technology and decided to implement phase 2 after completion of 1 year, rather than pre-decided time of 2 years. In phase 2, we suggested him to upgrade Alibaba product posting and optimization package from 240 products in 3 months to 1000 products in 6 months with the optimization. And this we suggested because product posting and optimization strategy started giving positive ROI. We also suggested them to revamp website with the latest technology to create better user experience. We explored new market, better visibility and challenging competition. Now let's talk about the results. The company is our client since 2015, and after approximately 4 years of association, they are clear leaders in ranking. Their name is appearing top slots with most of the relevant keywords for their business. Since all products are posted professionally, his inquiry ratio has improved more than 70% visits to the number of inquiries. Alibaba mini site created a great impression for the first time visitors and created great brand value. Continuous product posting and optimization ranked products higher and higher with many combination of keywords. As a result, our client did not miss most of the inquiries, as it is very difficult to predict what a prospective buyer thinks to use as a keyword to such a product. One more benefit our client started getting is multiple listing of the products with the same keywords. So the probability of getting visibility and inquiries become higher, and at the same time it started throwing that competitors listing on subsequent pages. New look and redesign of a website benefited as many prospective buyers visited the company website for reference or check genuineness. All Google ads help the client to get more buyers from different channels who were not using Alibaba. The Google ad strategy is consistent of finding new buyers, automatic follow-up with your prospective buyer, tracking your competitors' movement, and having a presence where the prospective buyer goes. In short, our client is an undisputed leader in his industry within a short 4 years of time, and the credit goes to our client's vision, persistence, and patience. It is rightly said that in a moment of your decision, your destiny is shaped. For more successful stories and events, you can visit our website www.webmasterindia.com. Again, repeating our website www.webmasterindia.com. You can also drop your email to our mail ID biz@webmasterindia.com. If you think that the video is interesting to you, you can also like this video and also subscribe to our video channel. We will come up with the new success stories soon. Thank you very much.